Assalamu alaikum. Welcome. Today, we're going over the word wow. You can also call it the welcome. Essentially, it looks like this. This is wow. I keep doing that. I keep forgetting that there's a board behind me. Let me wipe that. Let's keep this in the shot. And boom, there you go. Wow. That's not a very good wow. There you go. That's closer. That's better. This is right here is wow. Welcome. You're welcome to the letter wow. And so that's basically how you say it. In terms of the pronunciation, don't worry about that right now. We'll get to that maybe in another series in the future. But for now, I just want you to know what it looks like. It looks like a italicized 9. So if you think about the number 9, right? But it's just italicized. That's a G. But yeah, just think about the number 9. If you write the number 9 like that, right? But now you just italicize it, and that's what it looks like. Wow. And so wow is another introverted letter in the sense that in the beginning, right? So if we have a baseline, this is what the baseline is going to be like. And in the beginning, it's going to look like this. In the middle, there's no middle. It just looks like that. And then in the end, it might connect, right? So a letter might connect, and that's what it's going to end up looking like. So we're going to go through this passage here, the last verse of Surah Al-Fath. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Bilal Khan, coming at you from Space City, aka Houston, home of the Houston Rockets. And in this video series, we've been going over the last verse of Surah Al-Fath. The unique thing about this verse is that it is the shortest verse in the entire Quran that contains every letter of the Arabic alphabet. And so we are going to be hunting for the letter wow. Whoa. And so any Matrix fans here, Keanu Reeves fans, whoa. Well, that's what we're going to be doing today. So here we go. Any wow. Oh, there we go, right there. There's our first whoa, wow. Anyway, keep going. Any more wow? Oh, look at that. There's a little baby, itty bitty wow. And so it comes in many shapes and sizes. How do you pronounce this? What is this relationship with the letters around it? Don't worry about that right now. Just focus on being able to recognize the shape and how it looks like in the script. So this way, when you do learn the pronunciation, you know what it is. And so we got one here, we got one here. Let's keep going. Any more wows? I don't see no more wows. Wow, 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 wow. Whoa, there we go. See, we talked about how the letter might look like when it is connected to another letter. And so we've got an example of that right here. And keep going. Any more? Oh, there we go. A wow by itself. And any more? There you go. Another wow. More wows. Any more wow, 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 wow. Oh, there you go. Here we've got a wow, but it's now connected to another letter. I'm covering it. There you go. There you go, right there. Hey, look at that. I'm in the shadows. Any more wows? Any more? There you go. We got another one right there. Any more? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, look at that. Teeny, teeny, tiny, cute little wow right there. And yeah, there's another teeny, tiny, cute wow. Many more. Any more? Oh, there we go. I almost missed that one. Any more? Oh, there's another one. There's a lot of wows. Wow, there's a lot of wows. Any more? Any more? Any more? Any more? Up, there's another one. And keep going, keep going up. Oh, wow, wow. 2 wows. I'm covering it. Wow, wow, wow. Hey. And we got another wow. Keep going. Any more wows? Oh, there's another wow. And that's about it, guys. Make sure you find your wows. Hold their hand. Bring them to the party. Let's have some fun. In the meantime, let me know how many wows you found down in the comments below. I'll see you soon.